Hey, this is the DIY Magician, and we're here with another episode of How to Create Upcycled Puppets. This is one that I've been thinking about for a long time, and it took me a while to find one, but we're going to tear apart a Barney doll. Before we do that, we have to tell you what it does. This one's kind of cool because it sings and it lights up its belly. Check this out. Hello.
A friend is someone who likes to sing with you.
That's right.
My hands and we'll sing a song.
I will hold your hand.
If all the raindrops were lemon drops and gumdrops, oh what a rain that would be.
It just keeps going. Can't shut it off.
Open wide.
It's still going.
If all the raindrops were lemon drops and gumdrops, oh what a rain that would be.
I have to leave it alone.
Fun.
If I leave it alone, it'll stop.
And we'll sing a song together.
No. No. We're going to finish it with that. Okay, so
My hands and
I-
we'll sing a song
I don't want to hold your hand, okay? We're going to move along and we're going to actually make sure we make it. Bye! That's the last word he'll ever have because I'm going to take the batteries out now. But this is going to be fun. We're going to get an Elmo doll. Not an Elmo, excuse me. A Barney. And we're going to make sure we make a fun puppet out of it. Well, I'll tell you what. Hang tight and I'll go to town. You know what? After digging around and pulling out some of the foam, I found that there were some more sensors. So I want to see if we can make this work again. So what I'm going to do is put the batteries back in. Hopefully we can make him talk again with different songs, different things. That should be very interesting. Okay, here we go. Right here.
Hello, friend. A friend is someone who likes to hug you.
Oh yeah?
Hug.
Oh, I don't know about that.
Oh, that's a super hug.
Oh,
Can you give me another hug?
I'll scratch your back.
Oh, that's a terrific hug.
Okay.
Can you give me another hug?
You're getting a little greedy here. Let me push another little button here. I think there were two of them back here.
That's a super hug.
There's two buttons.
A friend is someone who loves you.
Okay.
I love you. I love
Oh dear.
you.
Hang on. Another back scratch.
Friend is someone who likes to hug you.
Uh-huh.
That's a super hug. Can you give me another hug?
Okay.
Oh, that's a terrific hug.
All right.
Can you give me another hug?
No, I think I'm going to take the batteries out. Okay. So that's that. I think what we've got here is a fun puppet. You know, there are all sorts of buttons and gadgets and things like that inside. I want to see if I can try and salvage this. So I think we figured we can make a fun puppet out of him. It's just going to take a little more effort. So hang tight. Maybe I'll be back in a second. You know what? I found some more buttons. This is going into overtime, I think, so I'm going to put them back in and see if we can figure out what the feet do. There's some feet buttons here, so let's see if we can get this going again. Hang on a second. Here we go. Okay.
Hello, friend. A friend is someone who likes to dance with you.
Oh, dance!
Use my toes to dance with me.
Okay, here we go. Wow, that's a long dance. Okay, let's try this other foot. It's pretty entertaining. I should have checked around. I thought it was just the stomach part or the little hands. Wow.
Oh, you're a great dancer.
Thank you very much. I appreciate that.
Use my toes to dance with me.
I think we're done. I think that's enough dancing. So hold on. We're going to try this one last time. I am finding all sorts of weird things inside of this Barney doll. So hang tight. I did it! Finally! Got all of the garbage out of the inside of that thing. Quite sophisticated. There was even one in the tail that I didn't even know about. But this is what Barney looks like without, well, turned inside out, essentially. So let's see. I think I may have nipped a bit of the belly, but maybe not. But I'm going to take him and I'm going to pull him back inside, the right side out. And we're going to see what kind of puppet we can come up with. He was quite a challenge, I'll tell you that. He did not want to go quietly. But I got all of the sensors. I got everything out of him. Now, to be fair, I will have to come up with some sort of a way to fill him back up. But there he is. Let's get his arms back out. Or not. Well, you get the idea. There's Barney, and it's going to be tricky because there's actually stuffing in the top. Well, there we go. If I do it like this, I can go, "Hi, I'm Barney. I love you. You love me. This is really sad." This is probably one of the most difficult ones I've ever had to deal with. I've got this foam stuffing all over the place, but we did it. Barely. We made a Barney puppet. Yay, Barney. Okay. Hey, thanks for joining the DIY Magician. For those of you who have been here before, thank you very much for coming back and weathering through this fun. And for those of you new to this, please feel free to subscribe to the channel, the YouTube channel. And if you want to join us on Facebook, that'd be great too. Thanks again.